Hey guys, this is Miss Brown Butterfly 1. Hang on. I had to cut that music down. I don't want to get copyright. But as you see, I am in the salon. It's Saturday, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I had to pull my tag off because of it was on the opening part. So I wanted to unbox my Alex and Ani, or Annie. No, it's Ani. Alex and Ani bracelets that I got for Mother's Day. And it says, proudly designed and crafted in America and made with love. That's the box. So, I got four of them. And every one of them comes with a meaning. So, the one I got was a wild heart with a panther. Or is it a tiger? Yeah. So, the first one I got is this one. So I didn't open them because I was so excited. I'm going to put them on after I finish working. So that's the first one. And it says, Prowler of the Night. The panther represents deep passion and power. It overcomes darkness and eliminates fear of the unknown using its sharp intuition as a fierce guardian of the heart. It protects those who love completely. Let this talisman of fearlessness be your constant companion. Wow. Okay. So that's the bracelet. It got Wild at Heart on it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's very weighted. So yeah, that's the first one. I ain't gonna make it too long. And then the second one I got was a crystal dove. I do have access to scissors. I don't know why I'm doing this. But yeah, the second one is a crystal dove. And it says, it is adorned with a Swarovski crystal. And it's crystal dove means peace, spirit, gentleness. The dove is universally recognized as a symbol of peace, spirit, gentleness, and purity. With the crystal at the heart of the dove, we bring light and strength to those meanings. The dove is a sign of new beginnings and a reminder that everything is going to be all right. In times like this is perfect. We all know what's going on in the world. So yeah, this is it. And that's the dove with the Swarovski crystal in it. And then it has the charms, the 3 charms. I'm so excited, and it's weighted. So that's the other one. And then this one here is rose gold. Those are the Raffini, I want to say the Raffini gold. And I think I'm going to go back and get a couple of silver ones, maybe. But this one here is rose gold. And this, it says, air is symbolic of the east, the direction of the mind, newness, beginning, wisdom, spirit, and communication with everything. It brings the heavens down into the air we breathe, and that our air fuels the thoughts we think, and those thoughts become the breath with which our words are spoken. With those words, our destinies begin. We are always weaving our reality with our thoughts. So this one here, I think this one was the coffee one. I think it was, let me see. Yeah, pumpkin spice and chill, because I love coffee. That's the one I got for that one. And then one says, because I love you, and it's true direction. Okay, and this is the last one, and then I'm going to be done. And then I can wear them. Okay, this card is Alex and Ani, because I love you, and this is my Mother's Day gift. We create meaningful, wait a minute, no, that's not it. True direction, love, constant, true. A timeless role model, a mother gives and receives wholeheartedly. She is your greatest guide as you grow and navigate your own path in life, and always knows the right words to say. A mother completely surrounds herself in the name of love, and it is an absolute blessing to have her unconditional support. Honor the amazing woman who always leads you home. I'm so excited. Yeah, so let me show you guys this one. And that's that one. I'm so excited. And we all know they adjust. So you can adjust them. You can adjust them. So yeah, this is my Alex and Ani unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Miss Brown Butterfly 1. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Happy Saturday. Or whenever you guys watch this, because it is Saturday. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you want any questions answered. And don't forget to thumbs up the video. I'm trying to grow in this new world, new normal. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Alex and Ani unboxing. Thank you. Bye.